Welcome back to our headquarters in New York. I'm Will Cager-Smith, keeping an eye on Acuris with some of our biggest recent headlines. Equity investors may have gone a bit overboard on cannabis, but debt investors are just getting started. That's the lowdown from Stephen Ernest, Director of Business Development at Viridian, a boutique investment bank focused on the budding industry for legal weed. He told Debtwire that as the sector matures and equity valuations retreat from their highs, companies are increasingly searching for investors to lend them money as they move into their next phase of growth. Among the investors with high hopes for the sector are Prospect Green, Monroe Capital, and Pharma Capital, a cannabis-focused fund launched by C6. Next up, Debtwire reported that health and safety inspectors just gave the American Dream water park a cold shower. The New Jersey shopping center has a huge debt load and has seen several changes of ownership since its construction was put on hold by the 2008 financial crisis. But it finally opened last October. The water park was meant to provide the second chapter of its opening extravaganza. However, community affairs engineers who inspected the 28 rides in December failed 9 of them. Despite the setback, American Dream opened its indoor snow sports park in December and is hoping to open its retail and restaurant facilities in March. And finally, there are plenty of opportunities for activists to shake up the energy services sector, but few have been willing to take the plunge. That's according to new reporting from Activistmonitor, which explains that some of the sector's biggest names, including Halliburton, Weatherford, and Flowserve, could benefit from activist investment. However, such campaigns would be complex, requiring a radical overhaul of how these companies operate. Add to those concerns volatility in oil and gas prices and a weak M&A environment, and there are a number of reasons why activists have held back from jumping into the sector. And that's our eye on Acuris. Stay tuned for more headlines next week.